Hey everyone, Dave Cook at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. So here is the wallpaper we are hanging at type O. There's the pattern information. So this one is just a matter of if something happens that goes wrong. So we painted the trim color kind of to match some of the paper. Instructions were clear that to put 3 pieces up, and if there's an issue, take pictures, call them, you send it to their claims department. They'll reimburse $200 for the installer, and then they'll give you new paper. So if we got 3 pieces up, you can see the green, and this one, because of the shine, not so much, but the same thing has happened on top. There you go. You can see the green when that shine's not on there. So both of them got a line both down the edges where the seams are at. So this is where we've sent it to their claims department. So when you want to check wallpaper, you're not just checking it on the table, but once you have it up on the wall, you want to get your sheets up and make sure you don't have any issues like coloration here, the seams. It looks like commercial paper, it's shading, that's what it looks like. But I don't know, so it could be a defect in the paper. I don't know, this is not, I've never really actually had this on residential paper before. So that's what kind of has me thinking it's a defect, because if you look this way, you can really see it. So make sure you're checking the paper when you unroll it. Look at the instructions to see if you'll get reimbursed if there's an issue, and then who to contact. We were lucky right now with the COVID going on that there was someone answering the phones. But you want to kind of do your homework ahead of time. If you have the paper information, find out if there's a problem, who are you going to contact? The paper, this actually has the website on the bottom of this, and then on the instruction sheet for us, it actually has all the phone number on here. And a lot of people are in the UK, but they have a US office also, so that made it nice. So again, check the paper when you unroll it. Check it when you get it on the wall. It'll say on the sheets how many pieces you're allowed. Right here for the important, that's what we're looking at. After hitting the first 3 strips, notice defects, stop, notify the supplier, no allowances for label or material made past this point. Product does not change in appearance from wet to dry. So that's another important key thing in there. If this was still wet or from adhesive, sometimes once it dries, it changes. That was a very key piece to have in there to know that ahead of time. So just another thing to know when you're putting up wallpaper. If you have questions about wallpaper installations, definitely give us a call to DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper.